Hey y'all, it's Yvette, and I have received a box from Lisa Marie of Crafting with Lisa Marie, and right on the front it says, I hope you'll film this box opening. So yes, I'm filming the box opening. It's quite a big box, and let's see, she's got a whole bunch of little stickers and stuff on there, and I was not expecting this box, I want to say that. And so let's get it open. It says fragile, so I don't know. All right, so let's get this open. And I got Jellybean behind me. Yeah, I don't know. Can you see him? See his little head right there? He might come up. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Let me try to pull this up out of there. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness. There's the inside. She's got a little bag and a Y on it. So let's see. Let me put it down because it'll be easier for me to pull things up. Okay, so I'm going to pull that up first. And there it is up close. And it's this lovely little bag. It's so cute. And she's like, oh my goodness, you guys, look. She's punched little holes in it and then tied up. She really is amazing. She really is. Okay. Oh. When you lift this up, it says Yvette's and Steph's retreat. I don't know what that is, but I'm keeping these little guys, I can tell you that. Let me take it off very slowly. Yep, okay. Got it. And there he is. Just gotta know what's in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, like I just put my makeup on. I just put my makeup on. Oh, hold on, I gotta take it out of here. Oh my gosh. I am so blessed, you guys. Isn't that amazing? And she knows I love pin cushions. It's got a little pocket. And it's got a heart, Lisa Marie, on the back. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna treasure this so much. I love you, girly. I love you so much. Thank you. And that's just the first thing. And already is way more than I would have ever even expected. I can't. Okay. Sorry. I'm still getting over this silly cold. Okay. An envelope. And I don't. Okay. Sometimes it helps just to know someone cares. And I do. Love you, Lisa. That's really cute. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh gosh. Okay, you know what? The Y was in Daisy, I think. I think she sent me a Daisy swap. I'm gonna open the D next, because if I had known that, I would have totally done it in order. There's the D, and it says, dress up your cup. Are you serious right now? Oh my goodness. You guys. I'm gonna have to go redo my makeup again. I love it. And it's on a Starbucks cup. and it fits perfect. Okay. There's the A. Oh, what did I do here? I did D. A, okay. It says apologies, and there's nothing to apologize for. I just want to let you guys know that. Oh, I forgot to take the A off. I didn't take the D off yet. I think the D is right here, yeah. I'm putting all of these in my keepsake box. Oh my goodness. Jellybean's having a blast in the box. It says, sorry, I'm sewing. It's too much light, I know. Sorry, I'm sewing. I love it. And it's nice and big. Nice and big. Oh my goodness. Okay. And here's the S. Oh, wait, I. I can't spell. There's I. In case of an emergency. Okay. You can always use stuff in a case of emergency. Oh my goodness. And it does have a bright pink box. Jellybean is Twine in the thing there. He's so funny. Oh, here he is. Hold on. Okay. I can't get my fingernail in there. Okay, let me try to just score it a little bit. Okay. Oh my goodness. I should have known you were going to make me cry. Oh, I got to do this. Oh. Oh. Oh, it doesn't want to open. He's like, no, I don't want to let go. Maybe it does go like this. I might have to, oh. It's not a lift. It is, but never mind. It's taped on both sides. That's why. Well, you know, I thought I had a little too much eye makeup on anyway, so it's okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. A whatchamacallit, which I do know what that is. But then this is a whoozy what's it, which I had never heard of before. Chocolatey crisps, and peanut butter candy bar. I have never seen this before. I am super stoked. And another whatchamacallit. And the peanut M&Ms. Oh my goodness. And they're stuck real good. The Charleston Chew Minis. Which I love those. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And I'm hiding it because he's not getting it. Oh my goodness. Okay, and I've already done the Y, so the last one is the S. And it says, start your day with this. Okay. Oh my goodness. Starbucks card. And you know I will. Oh my gosh. Like, Lisa, I've known you for a bit now. And you're so amazing. Thank you. You really did not have to do this. This is amazing. This is amazing. I love the card. This is amazing. Just the fact that you went and made all of these is amazing. My mug is amazing. And this candy is definitely in case of emergency. And I love you so much. I'm blessed by all of you, and I'm humbled by your generosity and everybody else's, and thank you so much. And thank you guys for watching. I have more videos coming up. I have a big plan today after I go and fix my face, although it's not that bad, I guess. I just need to get rid of the redness. Maybe go and get a cup of coffee, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm trying so hard to get back up on my feet, so thank you so much.